Yeah. So as I'm driving, well, not actually driving, as I'm sitting here in the cab on my way to school, I'm thinking about a lot of the last times, specifically the last time I'm driving to the school. The last time I walked into school with basically my best friend in Singapore. About to say goodbye to my classroom. It's a sad day. All right, so I just wanted to say goodbye to my classroom. Goodbye, sofa. We had lots and lots of great times together. We've created lots of friendships. We've brought friendships together. We've solved arguments. We've collaborated. Thank you. Dear bench, stool, chair, thank you for listening and following through. Always being there when I need you. Thank you. Dear library, I appreciate you. Thank you for simply opening up a new world for my students and being there when they need you, when they need friends, when they need to talk to someone, and helping me when I have no idea what to do in class. Thank you. Dear whiteboard, thank you so much. I appreciate you allowing me to draw on you, allowing me to share a message every morning, allowing me to collaborate and talk with students in a creative way. I appreciate you. Dear Post-it notes, thank you. You are my number one favorite thing in the world. Well, after my wife, of course. Dear big, huge chair, thank you. Dear tables, thank you for allowing me to have less of you and helping me be more creative in a sense where I'm figuring out ways and places for students to work. Thank you for laying down the foundation for our paper. Thank you. You worked hard this year. Dear iPad, you are definitely a privilege. I appreciate you helping us explore new worlds, helping us explore different people, helping us collaborate, helping us be creative. Thank you. Thank you so much. Dear scissors, we still don't know how to use you. Dear garbage can, I'm really sorry. Dear classroom, I simply want to thank you for allowing me to push myself this year. I'm so grateful for everything that you allow me to do. I appreciate the life that you bring to the students. I truly hope to, it was a little bit like a breakup. The hard work, the wear and tear that myself and the kids put on you and how you're able to withstand that. Thank you for the opportunities. Thank you for the resources. Thank you for bringing smiles to my face and my students' faces every single day. I appreciate you. Thank you. And good luck next year. Peace. Stay in the gray area.